Hello and welcome to another Dog Walk AI Talk. This is Dallas. Say hi, Dallas. And Dallas is 4 months old. Very great puppy and very kind to people. We really enjoy him. But what I really enjoyed is since we've gotten him, we've been able to help out 6 or 7 businesses streamline all their marketing, sales, and networking operations just through AI and automation. And the reason why I tell you that is because it doesn't take that long to streamline a business nowadays. When I first started, it would take us months to automate a process. And it took back and forth talking to businesses, trying to help them out. But now it takes us days to streamline things, complex, maybe a month or so once we have everything in order. But the thing about it is that AI is a game changer for any business. And most businesses, probably about 95% of businesses, really do not know how to use it the right way. There's no reason to invest in new technology and new software applications and things like that when you're already running a business that's working. Using AI will help you streamline what you currently have and improve what you need to do. The best thing to do right now is to talk to somebody that's in the industry, like our team here at STA. We have seasoned, experienced professionals in the consulting industry that know how to audit a business, find areas of business that they can help you improve right away, like yesterday, and help you find things that you can improve down the line and looking to improve or looking to expand your business using AI. With another dog walk, say hi, Dallas. AI talk. Reach out to someone so you can get on a fast pace of getting your business streamlined. Have a great day and God bless.